Hi guys, how to underline text or use the dashed underline in HTML. It's really simple. Here we have our basic code and on the background we have our output. Let's reload the page. There are two ways to underline text. The first one, suppose we want to underline this HTML document. For that, go to the starting point, then write less than u greater than, then the end point less than slash u greater than. Now if we save it and reload the page, see we have our underline. Now how to use the dashed underline or stylized underline? For that, suppose this is our starting point. Now write less than span greater than, go inside, give a space, write class equal double quotation, inside give a class name like dashed line, then the end point less than slash span greater than. Now go inside the head section, insert the style tag less than style greater than, close it with less than slash style greater than. Our CSS codes will go inside these two tags. Now we need to call this class. For that, dot dashed line, opening brace, closing brace, give some space, write text dash decoration, clone, give a space, then underline, semicolon. Now if we save it and reload the page, see we have our underline. For dashed underline, we need to write text dash decoration dash style clone space dashed, then close it with a semicolon. Save the document and reload. See, now we have our dashed line. So guys, that's how easily we can underline text in HTML. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.